Okay, class. Today we're gonna do maths, English, science, and all other lessons. Man, I'm so bored and tired of school. I wonder what I should do. I have an idea. I'll put a fire alarm at school. Hey, teacher. Yes. Can I use the bathroom for a moment? Yes. But please hurry back. You got it. Ha ha ha. This is gonna be so good. Now, where's that fire alarm puller? Oh, here's one. Time to pull it in 3, 2, 1. Ugh. There we go. Oh my god, fire alarm! Okay, everyone, we're gonna have to cancel maths because the fire alarm is going off. But stay calm, we'll just do it neatly. Now follow me and walk, not run. Oh great, here come the others. I must run away. Now everyone get to a safe place. Good job, everyone, for getting out of the building safely. Now, where's Rosie? Here I am, miss. How did you get here in the first place? Oh, you know, I just heard the fire alarm going off, so I quickly got outside. Are you sure? Yes. Are you sure you're telling the truth? Yes. Tell the truth. I heard the fire alarm. Are you sure you're telling the truth? Ugh, fine. I called the fire alarm. Oh! Rosie, how dare you pull a fire alarm? You know you can't do that. That is so it. I am calling your parents right now. Fire! Oh. Rosie, how dare you pull a fire alarm in school? You know you can't do that in school. That is so it. You're super duper mega ultra extreme grounded for 8 million centuries. Now go upstairs and go to your stupid room. What? I can't believe I'm saying this to you, but you're also grounded for interrupting me. Go upstairs and go to your room, Boris. What?